We have the temple, this temple, it measures almost 46 to 68 meters. With this are the carvings, and it almost has, it has a hall of 1,000 pillars. So yeah, I'll show you over here. This is the 1,000 pillar hall, the Golden Lily tank, Meenakshi Sanctuary, Sundareshwar Sanctuary. Okay, I told you the reverse thing. So the big one is of Sundareshwar and the smaller one is the Meenakshi temple complex. Okay? And this is the 1,000 pillar temple. Next, this is a section of Meenakshi temple. As I told you, there are guardian deities over here. There is stucco work. Stucco होता है जो ऑलरेडी मेड फॉर्म है, उसके ऊपर यू पुट मोल्ड्स एंड आप उसका काम करते हो. ठीक है, मोल्डिंग का काम होता है ना, जैसे आपने स्ट्रक्चर बना दिया उसके ऊपर मोल्डिंग का लगाकर आप काम करते हो. सीमेंट एंड प्लास्टर वगैरह की जो मोल्डिंग्स होती हैं उनके साथ आप बनाते हो इन स्ट्रक्चर्स को. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टूको वर्क, जो एडिशनल एक लेयर होती है. ऑल्सो जैसे आपने देखा होगा कई दीवारें जो होती हैं वो बहुत रफ टेक्सचर की होती हैं, वो बनाई जाती हैं उस रफ टेक्सचर की. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो स्टूको वर्क. समझ में आया सबको स्टूको? Long sides allow light to enter the hollow. Okay, so we have openings also from where the lights enters into the temple complex, right? This is the gateway, right? ये जो wall है इस तरह की, this is the gateway, this is the gopuram of the temple. So this is how you enter inside the temple. This is how it looks. Then we have the Vitthal temple that is situated in Hampi. ठीक है, हम्पी में जो विट्ठल टेम्पल है, it is known for what? Actually right now in its remaining parts, like this is the temple which is actually a remains of the original complex and everything. ठीक है, you can see these broken things over here. So the temple is quite broken but it's preserved. The rich carving and the Mahamandap at the front is in rich appearance and attracts attention. So these kind of columns, this is something which was new among temple architecture, these kind of columns. So usually the column would be one single column, but here they have used many different columns to support one big column. This is a great kind of style, and it looks good also, that was developed in this temple. Right? It has the deity Vitthal or Vithoba deity of Pandharpur, for whom it has been built. This is the stone chariot, the stone chariot of the temple, which is famous, and ये उसके पीछे गोपुरम है. ठीक है, and this is the main temple complex, and you can see there is this stone chariot, right?